I happened to stumble across the walkie-talkie speech therapy videos on YouTube, and we actually live in Texas, and I'm originally from San Diego, and found out that they were in San Diego. So when we were there, one time on vacation, I got in contact with her, and I was able to have a session with Austin, and it was the most wonderful session ever. We had been seeing a speech therapist, and then we saw Miss Kayla, and it was amazing. I learned so much, and now that's been about 8 months ago, and now my son is talking more, thanks to some of the tips on the video. And then we watched her online course, which also gave us amazing tips. And let me tell you, if you're a parent that, especially that has a child that has trouble with speech delay, that has trouble, that you're noticing maybe eye contact, having a hard time with socialization skills, the tips that Kayla has in her video are very helpful. Our child was actually diagnosed on the spectrum this summer, and if I would have had those videos or that access to that course before, I probably could have helped my child sooner. He is getting therapy now, and he's doing much better, but I would highly recommend her course. It gives very good teaching points. If you're a parent who wants to work with their child to help them learn to speak and make it fun, so that you're tricking them into doing therapy, and you will love it. You will walk away with a lot more knowledge. So I highly recommend that you download the course and that you do it. And like me, you will help your child, and you'll be so happy that you did. Thank you very much.